Many people use collaborative knowledge platforms like Wikipedia to gather information on different topics and issues. Given this, understanding how content is generated and issues are given meaning on such platforms is of critical importance. Yet the open and collaborative nature of these platforms makes them distinct from traditional sources of information. By conducting a longitudinal study on the discussion of economic inequality on Wikipedia's page about capitalism, researchers discovered two important factors that influence how issues are given meaning on these platforms. First, while opposing editors would advance different frames of inequality, such tactics rarely led to long-standing changes in how inequality was presented on the page. Instead, it was changes in the broader social and political environment, what the researchers refer to as discursive resources, that allowed new frames to gain traction on the page. For example, the emergence of the Occupy Wall Street movement supported frames of inequality as immoral and causally related to capitalism. Second, editors added subjective qualifiers to their claims to help new frames of inequality gain traction. These qualifiers enabled claims about inequality to be presented not as objective facts, but rather as subjective viewpoints. For example, rather than saying inequality was a causal feature of capitalism, editors would state that some people view inequality this way. This reduced consternation from opposing editors and helped conform to Wikipedia's policy to have a neutral point of view. Wonder how meaning-making evolves over time? If so, you may want to read this paper.